Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the second part in my haul video, and I'm showing you all the goodies I got from the mini catalogue that commenced on the 1st of July 2022. I received my order last week, but due to life I just didn't get around to filming the whole video till today. So I want to share with you what I got. Now in the first video I went through all the stamps, dies, embossing folders and the punches I got, and I did get quite a few. I'm a very lucky girl. And now I'm going to go through everything else. Now this is the mini catalogue. It is lovely and it has some gorgeous things in it. Lovely papers and punches and all sorts of wonderful things that you can see here. Really pretty papers and all sorts. So if you want a copy of this catalogue, then just send me a message and I will get one out to you in the post straight away. So let's go through what I got now. So I'm going to start off with embellishments, I think. I got these are the red and green adhesive pearls, and they do have red in them. When I got them and I saw them like this, I thought, where's the red? But there is red, and I'll show you. There's the red. It's just hiding away from us, that's all. Then I got these, which are the fine sparkle adhesive back gems. Aren't they gorgeous? Lovely colours. Sorry about the glare. Then I have these here, and these are, as you can see, they're actually iridescent, and they're called Wonderful Snowflakes. And you can see you get 24 snowflakes here. So lovely, lovely. You can pick up there, you can see beautiful iridescence, really pretty. And I wouldn't, once you punched out your snowflakes, I wouldn't get rid of this extra paper. Definitely keep this to punch out all sorts of other, or die cut other little bits and bobs out of, because it would be a lot of paper just to waste, and it's really pretty. Okay, I got a ribbon, and this is the double stitched ribbon, as you can see there. Really nice. Okay, and then I got some embellishments here. This is the texture elements, and these are like these little sprigs here. You can see they're just wood veneer. Lovely, really pretty pieces. Add some lovely dimension and texture to your projects, and you get 20 of those. And then I've got the flat jingle bell trinkets. Now these are darling, as you can see. Really, really sweet. I don't know how well you can see with the light, is not the best, but they are sweet, and you can actually, has quite a lot of detail on them there. You can sort of see where it catches the light there. Really pretty. You can make them into nice earrings even. And those are the flat jingle bell trinkets, and you get 20 of those in the pack. Now I've got a pack of memory more cards to show you, and these are the Santa Express. So these go with the matching paper and dies. I did show you the dies and stamp set in the previous video, so do check that out, but I will show you the paper in this one. And let's go through these cards quickly. They seem really, really cute. You get quite a few of each, so that's good. So you've got, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and then you've got the little choo-choo train with Santa Claus in it. So cute. And you've got this one, lovely journaling spot, and then that says Merry Christmas, so that you could even just have that as your focal image on a card, and it'll make a very quick card for you. Then you've got these little crosses or stars, and then you've got peace and joy. I love this colour. This looks like it's Bermuda Bay. Such a pretty colour. Does it say which colours are in here? No, but that looks like Bermuda Bay. So pretty. And then you've got this, cookies, cookies, Christmas cheer, 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 carols. C is for yummies, cookies. Yay, cookies. And then you've got this little journaling spot. And you've got Santa Claus there. Another journaling spot, and have a holly jolly Christmas. So you've got those 3x4 cards. Now let's have a look at the 6x4 cards and see what we have. You've got that says Merry Christmas, and a lovely background, and you've got these trees, and then you've got a nice journaling spot with Santa Claus and his train. There you've got Season's Greetings. These would be great for pocket scrapbooking, all sorts. These would be great as well. I like to make a Christmas mini album. This is going to be perfect for my mini album. Dear Santa, please make the temperatures go down. It's going to be 40. It's funny for videoing this, I said in my first video, it's due to be 40 degrees in a couple of days, and here I'm looking at Christmas stuff. So, dear Santa Claus, please bring some cooler weather because I don't want to melt next week. And then you've got here all the numbers and some border strips and some tags and other embellishments. Oh, and you've got this lovely acetate piece that says ho ho ho, and snowflakes. And this one that said it's the most wonderful time of the year. What's this one say? Merry and bright. And then you've got some wood pieces here. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, Santa Noel, joy, snow, holidays, wonderland, holly jolly. So those are your memory and more cards with the embellishments. I really like those. Those are wonderful. Okay, so let's move on to some cardstock and paper. In our main catalogue, in our mini catalogue, we have seen the return of basic black 12 by 12 cardstock in the pack, so you get 12 sheets together. I would stock up on this because this is gold dust. It's really useful to have 12 by 12 in such a neutral colour, so I'm really pleased to see that back in the catalogue. I have this pack of 6 by 6 designer series paper, and this one's called Lights Aglow. So let's have a quick look at this and see. You've got that, really pretty colours, very subtle, nice background patterns. Oh, look at these stars, isn't that cute? I love here this little bokeh design. I think this colour here is soft succulent. Yes, it is. Really pretty. And you've even got the gold here. I don't know if you can see the gold. Yeah, you can tell the gold foiling. Whoops. Evening Evergreen. There you go. And there you can see the gold foiling again. Really, really pretty. And then you've got black and the gold foiling. So really simple patterns, lovely foiling, easy to use backgrounds, really nice paper stack. So that's Lights Aglow. Now to our 12 by 12. This first one here is called Sweetest Christmas. And let's have a look at this. You get 2 sheets of each. So you've got this one, lovely candy canes, lovely colours, red and green, and then also some different colours. Beautiful stripe, very versatile, very useful. Candy canes again, another stripe. Lovely borders with this. Oh, look at this dots. I like this. Really nice. I love red, so that's really cute. More stripies. Green dots, more spots, more like little diamond shapes or little drops of snow, whatever you want it to be. More candy canes. Red stripes, nice, isn't that cute? Ooh, here we go. I have to say this looks like a tea towel to me, but there you go. So the colours in there were garden green, pool party, real red, and sweet sorbet. So lovely mixture of colours there. So that's that one. Now we've got Santa and his choo-choo train. So here we have Santa and his choo-choos. A beautiful stripe. Santa and Mrs. Santa Claus, whatever you want to call her, Mrs. Christmas and Mr. Christmas having a nice dance, skate. Maybe they think they're Torval and Dean. What do you think? And you can see you've got the different skin tones, which is really good. And here you've got la 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 la. Yeah, don't listen to me singing. I've got an awful voice. Here you've got some carriages. You can cut this all out. You can cut these carriages out and put them on the back of these trains here. Really nice. Ooh, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. I like that. Look at all these prezzies. Aren't they glorious? Oh, but I like this side. Look at those dots. Oh, I'll be using this lovely piece here. And then you've got this here, trees. Oh, but look at those snowflakes. And you could even border this if you're doing a scrapbook page. Look how nice that looks, like those together. Or even, you know, just like that with that border. Really nice. But I think I like it like that, to be honest, the best. Really nice. Then you've got these border strips here. These will be great if you make some slimline cards. This will be great for a strip on your slimline card. Oh, isn't that pretty? Imagine those together. Hello. Yeah, now we're talking. I like that. So that was Santa Express, and the colours in there were Bermuda Bay, Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, Evening Evergreen, Granny Apple Green, Mint Macaron, Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, Sahara Sand and Shaded Spruce. So lovely. Now let's have a look at this next set. This is the Bowels of Holly, saying that we start off with poinsettias, but anyway, isn't that gorgeous? Such a saturated colour, really lovely poinsettias. Ooh, and look at this red. This is a beautiful background, very simple, just different, you know, shades of red, some darker, some lighter. Lovely. Some more poinsettias here. Now, if you're into fussy cutting, you can have a ball, because there's gaps around each flower and you can make tons of embellishments from that. A very simple background. This almost looks like bark of a tree. And then we've got some trees here. And then the same sort of effect as there, but in the green. So you've got the greens going through into a yellowy green, into a more bluey green there. Really nice. And here you do have some holly leaves. And here again a very simple background with the stripes. Here we've got a very bright background, but I love it, of holly, of poinsettias, and I really like this. This I would use this as a background because it's so saturated. It almost reads like a solid. And another really lovely background here with, again, red. You know, got a deeper red here and a lighter red there. Here again, leaves. Whoa! I'm not sure about that, I have to say. I'll be using that side for definite. And then here we have in this set, the colours in this paper are cobbler, cherry cobbler, evening evergreen, mossy meadow, old olive, poppy parade, real red, Sahara sand, shaded spruce, soft succulent and soft suede. Quite a mixture. Now to go on some monochromatic paper. This is called black and white design, so it is as it says. So you've got this very simple black and grey design here, and then you have the reverse here. Don't know about you, but this reminds me of barcodes in the supermarket. I like this though, black dots and white dots. Now this would be great even for summer paper. If you're into paper piecing and you have dies, you could actually, you know, cut out a little dress shape of this and then piece that onto a doll, and it would just look lovely. You could have some real fun with this. We've got some black and white chevrons here, with black being the predominant colour. There we go. And then some white and black chevrons. And you've got a diamond pattern here. And again on the reverse, a black and grey stripe, and an absolutely gorgeous black and white stripe. I like that, really pretty. Stars, and there you go. So the colours, as you know, were basic grey, black and white. Really simple, very tonal. And the last paper, but not least, is this, and it's our little gnomes. Now this is called Storybook Gnomes, and it has matching dies and Stampin, all sorts to go with it, and I love it. Here you've got these gnomes, and then you've got these gorgeous almost like jumper paper here. This lovely blue. I've got these nice blue trees and mountains. Oh, this is Pacific Point. Pacific Point. I always say specific, but it's Pacific Point with snowflakes. Oh, this is pretty. You imagine if you just bordered it on with that, how those two colours go so well together. And here we have our little gnomies. Look at them in the little scenes here. So you can actually cut out around each little scene here if you so wish, and they're so cute. Look at the little foxy cups. Aren't they cute? These little ones all curled up to go to boys. So sweet. Oh, and then you've got the gnome houses, and I would think that the dies in the set cut out this gnome house for you, so that's really useful. And you've got here some deer, and here you've got again little rabbit and the foxes and the birds. So cute. And repeating trees. Then you've got here these gnomes and the little house, almost like, I don't know if you ever watched Noddy and Big Ears. These little houses reminds me of Big Ears' home. You've got a snowflake pattern, and then here you've got some toadstools, and beautiful snowflake there, absolutely lovely. So the colours in this collection are Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, Pale Papaya, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, and Soft Suede. So that is everything I got from the mini catalogue. I do have one more video to share with you, so thank you for sticking with me, and that is the stuff I got free, yes, free, in celebration. So if you want a copy of this catalogue, as I said, just send me a message and I'll get one out to you straight away. And stay tuned for part 3. Until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.